Friday night, she knew I came for her by myself. And even though I tried to overlook my spies and trust these lies, still I was in denial. She said just stay while the games begun. Somehow find the words to ask her to be mine, but she was of a doubtful kind. And on that fateful night, I held her hand and walked out of sight. Pulled her up close to me and whispered in her ear, take a chance with me. You see the truth, I've been waiting for you all this time. But I'll still play these games as long as you'll be mine in the end. The games that you play, the little ways that move me. The games that you play, but it's the price I'll pay for.
I have a vintage coat. It was made of gold. My pants are velour. I'm a fan of blue. I'm the toughest man, 'cause I got Ray-Ban. Listening to Coldplay, I think it's okay. I'm an indie boy, just playing for joy. I'm indie boy, just playing for joy. Have no need to earn the money, thanks a lot to mommy. I just wrote a song, but my love is gone. She ran down the street with the polka beat. Granny drives me mad with her Motorhead, but I like Tom York and my lovely Björk. I'm an indie boy, just playing for joy. I'm indie boy, just playing for joy. Have no need to earn the money, thanks a lot to mommy.